Global markets are mixed as investors take stock of President Trump's U-turns. It's Thursday, 24th April, and here's what you need to know. Asian stocks drifted overnight, European shares edged lower in early trade, and Wall Street futures also slipped as investors try to sift through all the noise coming out of the Trump administration on both tariffs and the leadership of the Federal Reserve. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that high tariffs between the US and China were not sustainable, and this sent stocks higher on Wall Street yesterday. And on top of all of this, the FT is reporting that the president is planning on exempting car makers from some tariffs. Our chart of the day is the US dollar against the euro. The dollar has actually recovered from a 3.5-year low against the euro this week, but is easing back today. As one currency watcher told Reuters, no currency is as sensitive to trade headlines as the US dollar. There's a slew of company results out later today. The highlight probably will be Google parent Alphabet. It's expected to report a rise in first quarter revenue thanks to its cloud services and advertising business. Investors will be really keen to hear what the company has to say, not just on tariffs, but its AI ambitions and also the state of the US advertising market. And our number of the day is 700 million euros. Those were the fines that were handed out to both Apple and Meta by the EU antitrust regulator. Apple was responsible for 500 million of that. Now, these fines are the first under landmark legislation aimed at curbing the power of big tech. Now, even though these fines were pretty modest by previous standards, the White House still labelled them economic extortion. And our stock of the day is IBM. It said last night that 15 government contracts were shelved by the cost-cutting Trump administration. Those contracts were worth around $100 million. And that sent IBM shares down 6% in after-hours trading last night. So it will be definitely one to watch today. And that's what you need to know this morning.